What is the best robot vacuums for laminate floors? Here are my full reviews of the best robot vacuums for laminate floors, together with key features. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. iLIFE V5S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Robot vacuums tend to have a high price tag, but this iLIFE model offers great performance with a moderate price tag, as far as the robot vacuum price range goes. The Model V5S features 2-in-1 performance, vacuuming and mopping. Moreover, the brushless motor is relatively quiet, yet powerful and suitable for vacuuming the pet hair as well. The device has 4 side brushes to ensure maximum coverage. Furthermore, the device has several cleaning modes: Auto, Edge, Spot Cleaning, and Max, for improved performance. You can use it on laminate floors without the fear of damaging the floors. Additionally, switching to the mopping function is simple, with an intelligent water tank. Key features: self-charging, mopping and vacuuming function in one device, unique suction system. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Coredy R300 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The R300 model from Coredy is excellent for pet owners for multiple reasons. It has strong suction power and intelligent auto-adjusting cleaning head. The head adjusts to meet the needs of cleaning surface, from bare laminate floors to medium pile carpets. Moreover, the head impressively collects all pet hair and dirt from all surfaces. Still, the design is super slim, so the device may go under furniture and clean every particle it comes across. Furthermore, the robot vacuum comes with remote and smart protection from dropping and collision. Also, it has 4 side brushes to reach all hair and dirt on the floor. The runtime is also great, 110 minutes. Key features: double filter system for effective collection of all particles, 4 optional cleaning modes and preset auto mode, anti-collision and drop sensing technology, 1,400 pascals intense suction power. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. eufy 30C Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The laminate floor is a common choice for the kitchen because the maintenance is very simple. But you will need a suitable vacuum to keep your kitchen clean. I recommend getting this eufy robot vacuum, Model 30C. The vacuum is very thin, 2.85, therefore, it can go under kitchen cabinets and clean the breadcrumbs and other dirt. Moreover, the vacuum has a powerful suction of 1,500 pascals and can work on hard floors and medium pile carpets, which is great if you have some area rugs in your kitchen. Additionally, the vacuum supports Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with Alexa software and Google Assistant. Furthermore, it has Boost technology to increase suction and leave your floor perfectly clean every time. Key features: ultra-slim design, has 4 side brushes, strong suction and quiet performance, 9 anti-collision infrared sensors. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Amari A800 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This Amari robot vacuum cleaner has a triple filter that is highly efficient in capturing the majority of air pollutants. Therefore, it is suitable for people with children and allergies. Moreover, the device has a moderate price tag and excellent performance on both bare laminate floors and carpets. The suction power is 1,400 pascals, and it is relatively quiet, 58 decibels. Furthermore, the Amari device, model A800, uses 4 cleaning modes to ensure complete cleaning. Those include automatic, spot, max, and edge cleaning mode. That way, your entire room is covered, and max mode improves the performance on carpets. Additionally, this product also provides excellent performance on hardwood and laminate floors. Key features: triple cleaning system. Comes with a remote. Triple filtration system, pre-filter, and sponge. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Ecovacs D-Bot Osmo T8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Ecovacs D-Bot Osmo T8 with improved navigation technology reduces the issues with obstacles avoiding and simplifies navigation. For example, with this one, you don't have to worry about cables on the floor. The robot will identify them and clean around them without tangles or additional issues. Moreover, it can mop and vacuum simultaneously. It features a large water tank that can cover up to 2,000 square feet of mopping. Thanks to extended battery runtime, this robot vacuum from Ecovacs can thoroughly clean your entire home in one cleaning session. Besides, the Ecovacs robot vacuum features superior laser technology, which allows him to detect objects with excellent accuracy. Additionally, the device can work in the dark. Moreover, the device has 3 layers of filtration. Key features: vacuums and mops the room. 3+ hours of runtime. HD video home monitoring in real time enabled. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.